Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the detailed reasons behind Japan's continuous preference for Boeing aircraft since 1985. 1. Alliance and international political factors. Japan has placed a strong emphasis on its alliance with the United States, often showing support for American products as a part of this relationship. Factors such as the Cold War era and subsequent security cooperation have contributed to strengthening the Japan-US alliance, making the purchase of American products a way to enhance this alliance and promote international political cooperation. 2. Technology transfer and industrial development. Through collaborations with Boeing, Japan's aviation industry has experienced technological growth. Partnerships with Boeing allowed Japanese companies to participate in aircraft design, component supply, assembly, and acquire advanced technical expertise. This contributed to the development of Japan's aviation industry, leading to job creation and strengthening of the industrial foundation. 3. Operational consistency and maintenance capability. By introducing multiple Boeing aircraft, Japan could ensure uniformity in operations and maintenance. Aircraft from the same manufacturer share common operational procedures and maintenance methods, enabling efficient operations. Additionally, Boeing collaborated with Japanese aircraft maintenance facilities, contributing to the establishment of high-quality maintenance capabilities. 4. Price negotiation and competitiveness. Negotiating aircraft prices is intricate, involving not only the cost, but also terms related to maintenance and support. Boeing offered competitive prices and high-value services, potentially providing more favorable terms compared to other aircraft manufacturers. 5. Market strategy and product lineup. Boeing offers a diverse range of aircraft models that cater to various market segments. Boeing's product lineup aligned with the requirements of Japanese airlines and the self-defense forces, making Boeing products a suitable choice. These factors combine to become reasons behind Japan's continuous preference for Boeing aircraft since 1985. However, real purchase decisions are influenced by political, economic, and technical fluctuations and circumstances. It's crucial to consider the overall context when evaluating these factors. How did you find the discussion? The reasons behind Japan's choice of Boeing aircraft are multifaceted. Understanding these factors sheds light on their impact on Japan's aviation industry and international relations. If you found the content useful or intriguing, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. We'll continue bringing you information on various topics, so stay tuned. Until next time, see you in our next video. Stay excited.